This file extension has two primary types. Is this a Corel Versions archival file, graphic, or a generic curriculum vitae document? If it's Corel, you need CorelDRAW. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect the file. My experience tells me that some CV files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. The CV file extension is a dual-purpose format. It can represent a Corel Versions file used for storing different iterations of a Corel design project, or a curriculum vitae resume document typically containing a summary of a person's professional experience and qualifications. The specific content depends on the context in which the file is found. When used for Corel Versions, the CV file stores incremental changes to a design, allowing users to revert to previous states. As a resume, it follows standard document formatting conventions. Often utilizing word processing software features for layout and presentation, the file may contain text, images, and formatting elements. For CV, use CorelDRAW or word processor as your initial compatibility check. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the CV file and select Open With. If CorelDRAW or word processor is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the CV file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of three easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the three main culprits and their verification steps. First, use CorelDRAW Corel Designer. Open the file using a Corel application, e.g. CorelDRAW Corel Designer that created the file. Next, check backup location. The CV file is usually a backup version file. Look in the same folder for the main file, e.g. CDR. Finally, rename to original. Rename the extension to the original Corel format, e.g. CDR or CDT, and try opening it. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your CV file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When a file absolutely must be open, turn to File Magic. It provides an invaluable feature, accessing content instantly, regardless of the file's extension or header status. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Look out for the next advanced guide. Like, subscribe, and fix those files. It's that simple.